Well, hi everybody. I get it, right? Nobody wants to be a guinea pig. I think someone was telling me, hey, why do I want to participate in a clinical trial? I don't want to be a guinea pig. So my name is Dr. Arinola Dada. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why we actually want to participate in clinical trials, right? So my name is Dr. Arinola Dada. I help people with joint pain become pain-free and people with autoimmune disease get their immune system back on track. So there are 3 reasons why we want people to participate in clinical trials. So one is that there is so much innovation going on, right? And the only way we can get cures to a lot of these diseases is by human beings, that's us, you and me, participating in clinical trials, right? A lot of patients come in, and when we make a diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis, they're like, hey, is there a cure? Well, the way to cure is for us to participate in clinical trials. Otherwise, if we don't have humans participating, there's no way we can really make progress. And that's a lot of problems with research right now, is that we don't have enough people participating, so it's really hard to move forward. So that's one. Let's get cures to these diseases. So that's one, whether it's for you, your family, your friends, or just humanity. So that's one. 2, a lot of these clinical trials actually provide options that may not be available outside kind of the clinical trial setting, right? So if you have a medical condition and the regular treatments are not working, there may be treatment options for you when you participate in clinical trials. So that's 2. 2 is that there are things out there that may not be kind of in the realm of what's currently available, but maybe in future. And for you, waiting may not be an option. So participating so that you can get other additional options, it will be helpful, right? And then 3, a lot of times you also have the option of participating in clinical trials, and sometimes there's free medication, right? So people who are kind of struggling with insurance and coverage for medications, clinical trials is an option for them. And a lot of time, before they get to even be able to try medication in with clinical trials, there's a lot of hoops that the companies have to go through. So I know that, you kind of think about, things like, the Tuskegee, airmen and those kind of things. But there's so many rules and regulations that have been put in place now to make sure that patients and people are treated fairly and people are informed. That is a whole different ball game now, and people are really protected when they participate in clinical trials. So I know there's the boogeyman of, all those, things, atrocities that happened in the past. But I would say now there's so much regulation in place now to make sure that both this person participating in the study and the person doing the clinical trials are kind of aware of everything. And so I think it's a whole new ball game now in terms of clinical trials. So if you're in the greater Seattle area, you have an autoimmune disease, anybody with arthritis, reach out to us at Overlake Arthritis. We have a number of clinical trials going on, whether it's rheumatoid arthritis, gout, polymyalgia rheumatica, Janssen arthritis. So there are a lot of options for patients right now, with or without insurance. So our job is to help you to a healthy version of you. Take good care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.